Today's video is going to be a bullet journal setup, but I wanted to start it off showing you guys some of the washi tape. It is all amazingly beautiful. It's gorgeous. I'm actually using this set that I'm showing you right now. So this set is called the Fragrance Set, and it is stunning. It's all gold foiled. It's gorgeous. This is actually the first time I've ever gotten anything from the Washi Tape Shop, and oh my gosh, I get it now. I get the obsession. It's such great quality. The grid pattern set is called the Savory Pastel Grid Set. There's 10 pieces in it. The next set that I'm showing you is called the Delicate Floral Wreaths Washi Tape Sticker Set. And these are all, instead of being actual tapes, they're actually stickers. So that's very different. I don't have any washi tapes like that. This next set is, I don't even have words. It's stunning. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. And this is called the Fairies Nest Set, and the artwork is just stunning. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to use this. I think I'm going to try to use it for my May setup in my reading journal. I have a couple ideas in my head that I'm thinking of using for it. The gold foiling detail on all these washi tapes, especially this one, they're just beautiful.